This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Gail Mulford. Everything you could want in a mountain home. This beautiful private lot is 4.77 acres and backs up to U.S. Forest Service land. It has a barn, workshop, detached studio/shed, and seasonal mountain views which could be made into year-round views. The property is unrestricted and has a chicken coop, a huge blueberry patch and plenty of room for a garden. The home offers single-level living and cabin accents including wood trim and a wood-burning fireplace. All the rooms are large including the kitchen that is perfectly designed for cooking and entertaining with lots of cabinets and countertop space. There is a great room which is perfect for a game room, media room, workout room or large office to run an in-home business. Enjoy mountain living from the rocking chair porch, covered patio or the deck which is wired and ready for your hot tub. For more information